Good morning. So today is Monday. So i-share ko na yung aking meal plan ng breakfast. Yan. So ilalaga ko tong itlog. So 10 itlog. Yan. So 60 grams. 60 grams ng itlog yan. So 6 times 10. And then Pinoy Tasty. So ang protein niya is 5 grams. And nandito yung nutrition box niya. So total is so 100 grams. So protein niya is 5 grams kasi. Tapos may 20 grams pa tayo ng protein na natitira. Tapos yung carbohydrates niya is 28 grams. Tapos yung total fat niya is 2 grams. Trans fat niya is 0. So Pinoy Tasty. Meron siyang source of vitamins A and iron. Dito sa likod yung nutrition box. Yan, nakalagay siya na serving size 50 grams then 2 slices. So yung calories niya is 150 calories from 2 pot. So ito. Tapos yung carbohydrates natin is 121 grams namin din. Tapos yung sa fats natin is 35.25. So yun yung calories na. Yung total calories ko is so 315 yan. So yung total calories ko sa surplus. And so yung protein intake ko is nasa around of 121 grams. Sa carbs ganun din. Sa fats is body fats is 35.25. And so ito yung aking meal prep. Tapos pakita ko lang sa inyo. Yan. Sinashare ko lang ito sa inyo. So, sa meal plan breakfast. Ang diet. So, ngayon, bulking pace ako ngayon. So, current weight ko is around 55 kg. 55 kg. So, breakfast pa lang to. Mga fitness. So, wala pa dito yung lunch. Tsaka yung snacks. Tsaka dinner. So, calorie surplus ako. So, bulking pace. And so, pag deficit, magkaiba yun. Pag deficit kasi is, which is, magbabawas ka ng kain. So, ako, nag-a-add ako ng 500 to 300 calories. So, based on sa total calories or maintenance ko. So, nasa BMI pa or BMR. So, ibig sabihin ng BMI, body mass index. Then, BMR is basal metabolic rate. Then, TDE, total daily expenditure. So, doon ako nagbase sa age, height, and weight. So, kung paano kunin yung total calories or maintenance or bulking or cutting. So, fitness. Stay fit and healthy.